USA. Guys, this is what it is. We are back into a portable generator stuff here in the at the command center here in Minnesota. So guys, I'm gonna show you how we go about wiring the bus bars for your battery system. So my bus bar, I'm gonna be putting the bus bars for the Ford Focus batteries. And you guys have seen that. This is the system. And I'm gonna do the interconnect, which we call the series. We're gonna do the series configuration, series parallel configuration for the 12 volts system. So if I have to demonstrate here how things work. So these batteries, I took the terminals, the bolt and nuts, or the bolts, excuse me. This is what it is. These bolts are here and like this. So these are the series configuration you want to do for your batteries. So the batteries are wired into going to be into parallel. So two batteries in series, eight. This is going to be 8.2, 8.2, so 16 point. So if you go 8.2, 8.2, that's got about 16.2 batteries connected. And after that, uh, we're going to take those batteries and connect them into parallel connection. So due to that, I want to show you how am I going to go about it here today. So like and subscribe from the command center. That's what we're going to do. Like and subscribe. So okay, bus bars. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the bus, since we already get this thing that is configured for series, parallel, or if you want to do 24 volts, we can still do it the way we have it. So we just go positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, and gets this thing here. Okay, we put the and lithium batteries don't like you arc them because they tend to be very, very hot, and all of a sudden the terminal and like and subscribe. I saw a viewer right there. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. And you're supposed to be using any of the a wrench to do this, but I'm going to use a power drill. What I did, I have to adjust it. If you want to use a power drill to do it, sometimes people say it's not the best one to use. Make sure you adjust it to the lowest one, because here, if it gets too high, then you're gonna over tight it. So you set it lower. Then let's say put it on one. As I see, it started working. Then all of a sudden you're gonna go like it act like see that. So don't go too much that it's gonna spin or spun out of this thing. So we're gonna go away and get this guy right here. It's an 8 meter. One from this side, one from this side. This one already became one battery. Two of these batteries is now one, and two of these is one. So if you want to hold on quick, I'll show you by grabbing my multimeter, and I'll show you how the voltage. So speaking about it, the voltage is going to be red now when I put the multimeter right there. Grabbing my little fluke, I left it behind, but I have to grab it quick so you guys can see this. And it's a fluke 101. There's a 600 volt, got 3. So I'm going to plug the wire polarity, the black to the black, the red to the red, the terminals right here. You have to use the color coordination. And we're going to use the probes and set up the one old battery thing to DC. How you know it's a DC is the V with all the 3 little lines on it above the V. That tells you that's the DC voltage. So you can just put into this one here, the V with that kind of wave, the sine wave, that on the volt. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take the negative here and push it there. Remember the last time, you guys,